De-sexualize your brain. Today I'm talking about something which I think is destroying men's brains. I think this is something that a lot of men, most men probably on some level, are dealing with this, constantly chasing that thirst, looking at images and not just porn, but being distracted, because constantly chasing. It's this constant chasing and distraction and the damage it's causing. So I'm going to get into that in this video, and one simple mindset shift you can make which makes this so much easier. Imagine waking up feeling truly in control of your mind. No shame, no regret, just clarity and confidence. But right now, too many men are trapped by screens, urges, and endless distractions. There is one mistake that causes 99% of men to stay stuck in this cycle. Once I made this one small shift in my thinking, I was able to unlock the door to my thirst trap prison without realizing how much this is destroying their lives. It's time to break free. Today we're talking about de-sexualizing your brain. Don't make this common mistake that every man makes when he utters these famous words. That was the last time. Watch the whole video, as every component is crucial. This is something I realized was probably the biggest problem in my life. I was wasting so much time, just constantly distracted. You know, like if you look at my the history on my internet, it would be shameful. You know, it wouldn't just be porn, but it was just all sorts of just chasing this fakeness, this fake intimacy, which I didn't realize was actually causing so much damage in my life. This isn't about shame. This is about freedom. It's about taking back control of your focus and energy. Think about how much time you've lost to distractions. What you could achieve if your mind wasn't constantly hijacked. You're not alone. I've been there. My days were ruled by impulsive decisions and empty habits. Every scroll, every click was stealing my power. I didn't like who I was becoming. So I made a choice to rebuild my life from the ground up. It started with understanding one simple truth. Overconsumption of sexual content rewires your brain. It makes you dependent on quick dopamine hits. It numbs you to real joy, excitement, and connection. So a part of my recovery from this was understanding this, that the reason I was so thirsty for these dopamine hits wasn't just about the pleasure it got on a surface level, but it was hitting me to the very core of who I am. I was seeking connection through these images. And what this turned out to be was this fake intimacy, this need for intimacy. And you get trapped in this cycle because you believe or you feel this level of intimacy, but you can just never get enough. It doesn't nourish you. It's empty. It's fake intimacy. It's fool's gold. It just doesn't do the same. It just doesn't fulfill. It doesn't quite nourish you. It's like eating junk food. You can just eat loads and loads, but it never gives you that nourishment. It doesn't have the vitamins. It doesn't give you what you need, and that's actual real intimacy, real connection, real love. And it just leaves you feeling empty and never satisfied, so you feel like you just need to constantly chase more and more and more. Guys, if this is the sort of content you're looking for and you want other guys to see this sort of content, share this video, send it to people, like, comment if you have enjoyed this video, but please subscribe because more men will see this type of content. Thank you very much. And it's not just porn, it's social media too. The Instagram explore page, TikTok thirst traps. The good news is you can break it. The first step is awareness. Start noticing when and why you're drawn to these distractions. When we look at beautiful women as men, we get a sense of the love chemical oxytocin. And if you relate that back to childhood trauma, all of us on some level have had this trauma response where we are looking for that love. So that oxytocin, I realized that I had this obsession with beautiful women because it gave me that rush. It gave me that fight or flight response of, oh, is she the one? Am I going to seduce her? Can I have her? And it all came back to that fake intimacy that I explained earlier. Often it's not about the content. It's about escaping discomfort, boredom, loneliness, anxiety, frustration. Sexualized content feels like an easy fix, but it's just a band-aid. To break free, you need to address the root cause. Ask yourself, what are you really trying to escape? What emotions are you avoiding? A lot of this is linked to doom scrolling, and then the next thing you know, we find ourselves pleasuring ourselves and whatever content it is, but it will always be sexualized. But the truth is, we have to ask ourselves, what are we really feeling that we don't want to feel? And I did a whole video on this to do with impulse control. And a lot of the time that if it's not that, then it's food or it's coffee or it's alcohol. There is some underlying emotion that we just don't want to sit with, we don't want to feel. And it's directing our behavior without us even realizing it. We just seem to autopilot our way into this sexual content. When you feel the urge, Pause, breathe, sit with the discomfort. It won't be easy at first, but it gets better. Next, start removing your triggers. Unfollow accounts that lead you down the rabbit hole. Delete apps that don't add value to your life. Set up blockers if you need to. Think of it as cleaning your mental diet. What you consume shapes your thoughts and actions. Replace the junk with content that inspires and empowers. Find things that challenge your mind or build your skills. And don't stop there. Add excitement to your life. Pick up a new hobby, go on adventures, build a life that doesn't need constant escape. The goal isn't just discipline, it's thriving. You're not giving something up, you're gaining freedom. Freedom to focus, create, and connect deeply. This is the key. This mindset is the key. That you're not giving something up, but every time you go without, you think you're going without, instead of having that mindset of, oh, I'm missing out on something, you've got to know what you're really doing is training yourself for a better future, and you're actually becoming stronger. And the goal is eventually to look at it and be like, this is silly. It's not serving me. And that's how I think when I look at porn. I think it's ridiculous. I just think it's crazy that I used to look at it, because now if I look at it, it just doesn't do anything for me. I've taken away that drive to want to do it. So what you need to do is leave the willpower paradigm. A lot of you are fighting this urge because you believe on some level it's serving you. But when you take away the illusion, when you remove the illusion, you no longer have to fight this will. You no longer need willpower to do it because you don't want to do it. It's a completely new paradigm. You start to view it as something that's so damaging and yet ridiculous at the same time. And then you view yourself as someone that just doesn't need that. You don't have the urge to do it. It becomes a lot easier this way. So get off the willpower carousel of feeling like you need to do it. Stop using willpower. You're rewiring your brain for long-term growth. The path won't be perfect, and that's okay. A big part of growth and stepping away from this is also not being hard on yourself, because these big companies, Instagram, TikTok, they know they've been spending billions of dollars tapping into your fragile, soft brain, knowing what buttons to press. So you're up against it. So don't be hard on yourself if this is so difficult to remove yourself from, because you are up against it. The odds are it's very difficult to come. It's very difficult to leave this paradigm if you're still in it. That's why it's important that you have to completely remove all of the illusion from it. What matters is showing up every day for yourself. You'll be surprised at how much clarity you gain. Decisions become easier, confidence grows, and most importantly, you'll trust yourself again. This journey isn't about quitting, it's about living fully. Imagine the man you'll become when you reclaim your energy. More present, more driven, more alive. You owe it to yourself to find out. Start today. One step, one choice at a time. You're stronger than you think. De-sexualize your brain. This will be one of the most important decisions you ever make. Thanks for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe so other men can see this type of content. If you want to improve your impulse control, then I highly recommend to check out this video that I made here. It's very good, so check it out right now. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay strong, you can handle it.